Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
A nutty idea? Not at all. Peanuts are not just for large farms. They can be a delightful addition to your home garden. Did you know you can grow peanuts right on your patio? Yes, you heard that right. Even if you live in an apartment or have limited space, you can still enjoy the process of growing your own peanuts. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can start your peanut growing journey. All you need is a container, some soil, and peanut seeds. You don't need a big garden to enjoy these tasty legumes. A small pot or container is sufficient to grow a healthy peanut plant. Imagine the joy of seeing those little plants sprout and grow right before your eyes. In fact, a simple container is all it takes to harvest your own fresh peanuts. Just ensure your container has good drainage and is placed in a sunny spot. Regular watering and a bit of patience will do the rest. Get ready to discover the joy of growing peanuts at home. It's a fun activity for the whole family. Kids especially love watching the plants grow and learning about where their food comes from. This step-by-step guide will show you how. From preparing the soil to planting the seeds and caring for the plants, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from choosing the right seeds to harvesting your very own peanut bounty. There are different varieties of peanuts, and we'll help you pick the best one for your growing conditions. Gardening is a great way to connect with nature and reduce stress. The act of nurturing a plant from seed to harvest can be incredibly therapeutic and rewarding. Plus, the satisfaction of growing your own food is truly rewarding. Imagine the pride and joy of serving homegrown peanuts to your family and friends. Let's get started on this exciting journey of growing peanuts at home. Peanut power, tiny but mighty. Peanuts aren't really nuts. They're legumes like beans and peas. But don't let that fool you. They pack a nutritional punch. Peanuts are full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They also contain vitamins and minerals that are good for your body. Growing your own peanuts means you know exactly what's going into them. No pesticides or harsh chemicals, just pure and natural goodness. Plus, imagine the flavor of freshly harvested peanuts. It's a taste sensation you won't forget. From seed to snack, your peanut journey begins. Imagine the satisfaction of growing your own peanuts, right from the comfort of your home. Whether you have a spacious garden or just a small balcony, this journey is for everyone. Growing peanuts at home is a fun and rewarding project. It brings families together, creates lasting memories, and teaches valuable lessons about nature and patience. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown peanuts. It's a great activity for families and individuals alike. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, the process is straightforward and enjoyable. You'll find that gardening can be a therapeutic and fulfilling hobby. The process is simple and involves a few key stages. Each stage is crucial to ensure a healthy and bountiful peanut harvest. From selecting the right seeds to providing the necessary care, we'll guide you through every step. 1. Seed selection. Choose the right peanut variety for your area. Different varieties thrive in different climates, so it's important to pick the one that suits your local conditions. Look for seeds that are known for their resilience and productivity. 2. Container preparation. Get your pots ready for planting. Ensure they have good drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can harm the plants. Use high-quality soil to give your peanuts the best start. 3. Planting. Sow your peanut seeds and watch them sprout. Plant them at the right depth and spacing to give each plant enough room to grow. This is where the magic begins, as you witness the first signs of life. 4. Care. Provide your plants with sunshine, water, and nutrients. Regular watering and feeding are essential to keep your plants healthy. Make sure they get plenty of sunlight, as peanuts love the warmth. 5. Harvesting. Gather your peanut bounty and enjoy. After months of care, it's time to reap the rewards. Harvesting peanuts is a joyous occasion, and you'll be amazed at the fruits of your labor. Don't worry, we'll cover each step in detail. From the initial planting to the final harvest, we'll provide you with all the information you need to succeed. Our step-by-step guide will make the process easy to follow. Let's get those peanuts growing. With a little effort and care, you'll soon have a thriving peanut garden. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Picking your peanut partners. Choosing the right peanut seeds is the first step to success. Look for peanut varieties that are well suited for container gardening. Some popular choices include Valencia, Spanish, and Runner peanuts. You can find peanut seeds online or at your local garden center. When selecting seeds, make sure they're fresh and free from damage. This will give your peanut plants a strong start. Now that you have your seeds, let's get those containers ready. Section 5. Home Sweet Home. Prepping your peanut pots. Peanuts need well-drained soil to thrive. Choose containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. A pot that's at least 12 inches wide and deep is ideal for each peanut plant. Fill your containers with a loose and fertile potting mix. You can add some compost to enrich the soil. Peanuts love sunshine, so place your containers in a sunny spot. Now it's time to plant those peanuts. Section 6. Planting the seeds of success. In this section, we will guide you through the simple yet rewarding process of planting peanut seeds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, you'll find this activity both enjoyable and fulfilling. Planting peanut seeds is easy and can be done with minimal tools and effort. All you need are some peanut seeds, pots, soil, and a bit of patience. Simply make a small hole about 2 inches deep in the center of each pot. This depth is crucial as it allows the seeds to be well covered and protected while they germinate. Drop 2 peanut seeds in each hole and cover them with soil. Planting 2 seeds increases the chances of successful germination, ensuring at least 1 strong plant per pot. Water gently to moisten the soil. It's important not to overwater, as too much moisture can cause the seeds to rot. A light, even watering is perfect to keep the soil damp. Peanut seeds need warmth to germinate. Ideally, the soil temperature should be around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a soil thermometer can help you monitor this. Keep your pots in a warm and sunny location. A windowsill that gets plenty of sunlight or a greenhouse is perfect. The warmth and light will encourage the seeds to sprout. You should see sprouts emerge in a week or 2. This is an exciting time as you watch the first signs of life break through the soil. Patience is key during this period. Once the sprouts appear, thin them out to leave the strongest one in each pot. This ensures that the remaining plant has enough space and nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Regularly check the soil moisture and keep the pots in a sunny spot to continue nurturing your peanut plants. Section 7. Sunshine and sips. Caring for your peanut plants. Peanut plants are relatively low maintenance. They need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Water deeply, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilize your peanut plants every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. As the plants grow, they'll start to flower. The flowers will then burrow into the soil, where the peanuts will develop. Section 8. Unearthing treasure. Harvesting your homegrown peanuts. Peanuts are ready to harvest when the leaves start to turn yellow. This usually happens about 100 to 150 days after planting, depending on the variety. Carefully dig up the entire plant, being careful not to damage the peanuts. Shake off the excess soil and hang the plants upside down in a well-ventilated area to dry for a couple of weeks. Once the peanuts are dry, you can remove them from the plants. Section 9. Reap the rewards. Enjoying your peanut bounty. Congratulations! You've successfully grown your own peanuts. Now it's time to savor the fruits of your labor. Roast them, boil them, or enjoy them fresh. Homegrown peanuts have an incredible flavor that's well worth the effort. Share your bounty with friends and family, and spread the joy of gardening. Tell us about your peanut growing adventures in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.